So Google literally just released a bunch of AI updates and nobody's talking about them. So let's get into it. So one of the first AI updates I do want to talk about is the new Google Deep Research agent. This research agent is actually #1 across all the benchmarks at the moment. I know most people won't get to use this just yet because it is actually only available in the API. But Google actually have released a bunch of different AI updates, which most people have missed. So we're first going to get into the agent and then we'll get into the other stuff.
Google's just released a new update to Gemini Deep Research, and we've seen a massive jump in capabilities. The first things that struck us were the speed and the exhaustiveness of it. It's made it possible for anyone to ask and answer heavy-duty scientific questions that require evaluating all of the scientific literature, and it lets us answer questions in days rather than waiting weeks or months.
What deep research is able to do in an impressive way is connect that quantitative data to more qualitative data and really bring that to life. FactSet was an early adopter to a more open approach and an open ecosystem. In our industry, trust is the very critical piece. You can have innovation and the most advanced features, and if the data is not rock solid, our customers will not use it. Bringing more of an AI-ready approach to that data allows it to be integrated into solutions like deep research in a way that really helps us ground the answers and bring confidence to our client base.
Axiom's goal is to help scientists understand which drugs are going to fail in clinical trials before they do. The data about drug toxicity and clinical outcomes of drugs is buried all over the place. And often what you need to know is at page 80 of a very long PDF. So Gemini Deep Research's ability to access data from all sorts of modalities has been extremely critical to us.
Our industry is all about alpha generation and really finding insights in unlikely places. So the multimodal factor, being able to kind of bring in sentiment from video, voice, look at text, bring in quantitative data, all brought together in one place. It's just a richness of the narrative that is much more advanced than research of the past. When you think about the amount of processing that can come through deep research across all of these sources, that really unlocks the expertise of a human to bring out the nuance, focus more on how you relay that information to clients or peers, and bringing a human element. This is a huge shift for the financial industry because of how much they have wished for productivity for so long.
Deep Research has really accelerated our team. It saved us from having to build out really complex workflows, lets our scientists iterate extremely quickly, and it lets them focus on what questions they want to ask.
The number of ideas that could come to fruition, the quality of those ideas, and the way that new insights deliver results for our client base is a huge way that research is shifting. It just allows a broadening of scope that an individual human wouldn't be.
And so let's get on into other AI updates from Google, especially the Cloud Next event. And so I'll let Google take it away.
Thanks for calling the YouTube TV and NFL Sunday ticket support line. So tell me, how can I help you today?
Hey, yeah, I've got a bunch of my friends coming over tomorrow night for the NFL draft. I don't have cable, and to be honest, I really only watch sports. Does YouTube TV have a plan that's just for that?
Yes, we do. The YouTube TV sports plan has exactly what you're looking for, plus over 30 other sports channels. It's $18 less per month than the base plan. Would you like me to text you a link to the number you're calling from that will take you directly?
Yeah, go ahead and send me a link. I'll take a look at it.
Great. I just sent the link to your mobile phone. Is there anything else I can help with today?
Yeah, I'm going to take a look at this now. Actually, my father-in-law is hanging out with me here today. He's been thinking about getting the sports plan for his account as well. I just wanted to see what he thinks about this. Oye, jefe, ¿cómo lo ves? ¿Te gusta este plan de deportes? Actually, could you just quickly summarize this plan for him in Spanish? I think he just wants to know that he can get both football y fútbol.
Claro, tendrá tanto fútbol como fútbol. El plan tiene lo que buscas, más canales deportivos y te ahorras $18 al mes. ¿Tiene alguna otra pregunta?
Perfecto. Nos parece bien. Look, one other question. I was planning on setting up multiple TVs throughout the house, like one in the living room, one over on the patio. Would that be okay with this plan?
Definitely. With the sports plan, you can stream on up to 3 screens at the same time. Is there anything else?
Awesome. No, look, I'm actually in the middle of a stadium full of people right now, and I think there's millions watching me on the live stream, so I kind of got to run. All right, you've been helpful. Later. All right. Now, that was pretty easy. The agent was able to handle complex product logic and seamlessly pivoted languages. But what happens if the team wants to make a change? They don't need a bunch of software engineers updating endless lines of code. They just need CX Agent Studio. Here, we have our visual builder inside of CX Agent Studio, which is designed to give you complete transparency and control over your entire agent building experience. This is the behind-the-scenes look at the actual YouTube TV's agent that they put in production. The orchestration is managed across multiple specialized sub-agents, which can handle even the most complex requests. And with our built-in test interface, you can ensure that every answer is grounded, factual, and pulled directly from a knowledge base, like the agent's Price Finder tool here. And the best part? YouTube TV customer support built and deployed this entire experience in just 6 weeks. Now, let's say that the team wants to run a promotion. It's really simple for me to add a new sub-agent here. Click Add a new sub-agent. And I will make this our new promotions agent. So say promotions. I'll hit save. And then I'm going to quickly add a set of business logic via instructions in natural language to our agent. I'll hit create. And just like that, our multi-agent system has instantly adapted to this new specialized agent. It's really that simple.
Gemini Enterprise is a platform to build, manage, and interact with agents. I'll demonstrate how it can orchestrate multiple agents across platforms, share context for seamless handoffs, and streamline workflows. Imagine I work for a global furniture retailer. Here's my personalized homepage, where I can interact with internal business context and external sources in a single pane of glass. The agent gallery hosts my approved selection of agents, including built-in ones by Google, and my company's agents, like this one, for price and margin optimization, which autonomously orchestrates across agents, tools, and sources. Now, let's see Gemini Enterprise in action. To bring some less popular product lines back to life, we'll ask our agent to analyze current interior design trends, identify dead stock in our warehouse, and to orchestrate a relaunch campaign. With that one prompt, multiple agents complete a series of actions in minutes instead of hours. My market research agent, powered by Deep Research, analyzes the latest Google search information alongside my own sales and CSAT data. My data insights agent is connecting to our global product catalog regardless of location or format. It knows that dead stock refers to stale inventory, and it uses our agentic data cloud to identify the right data sets. And my product strategy agent pulls everything together. I'll go ahead and approve this plan. This can take a few minutes, so we'll fast forward. Okay, here are the highlights. Organic modern is a huge trend, and customers are paying top dollar. Our Tuscany collection has leftover inventory that actually fits right in, but sales haven't been great. The recommendation? Rebrand and reprice it above our current discount, but below competitor pricing. All of that with one simple prompt. I can even see the sources that it analyzed to make these recommendations. Gemini Enterprise is also suggesting a new landing page and new media to put front and center. I'll ask my product strategy agent to generate some videos. This part can also take a little bit of time, so we'll look at some pre-generated options. This looks amazing. VO3 placed the exact pieces in a whole new organic living style space. Now, let's get that website updated. I'll ask my dev agent to coordinate with our engineering team. It connects directly with Jira to give a developer full context for a seamless handoff. And on the developer's end, I'll automatically get a notification right here in my Google chat with that Jira ticket. I'll get this going with CLI. Here, I'll ask my dev agent to start working on that Jira ticket. It's going to give me an overview of the strategy, the assets, and how it plans to execute on this web page, using all of the context from the previous Gemini Enterprise session, the ticket, and our brand encoding guidelines. This is really easy. Let's go ahead and get this built and deployed. From here, this can take a little bit of time. I'm sure the devs in the audience know that. So I gave it a little bit of a head start. Let's check out that final product. This looks perfect. Now, let's head back over to Gemini Enterprise to prepare our stores for the launch. Our store operations team would usually handle this piece, so I'm in a brand new session. I'll ask for a deck to get our regional distributors up to speed. Gemini Enterprise uses my company's context to find exactly what I need to know about that launch, how I've managed these in the past, and my team's sales goals. Then it works with the Google Workspace agent to create a branded deck in my personal style. Again, this can take a minute or two, so we'll look at one I generated ahead of time. Get this, with our brand new Canvas mode, I can make edits and collaborate in Google Slides without ever having to leave Gemini Enterprise. Overall, I think this looks great, but I actually prefer the word reimagined here. Perfect, and I'll go ahead and share this with my team. And it looks like some of them are already jumping in. Let's recap. We saw Gemini Enterprise orchestrate multiple agents with a single prompt, share context, and generate and collaborate content with Google Workspace, all supported by our enterprise-grade governance, which gives organizations the power to manage and secure agents at scale, all while maintaining control over their business data. That's the magic of the Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform.
John, this is going to be super fun.
Okay.
Let's unleash the power of Google Cloud AI into the half pipe. And to do that, we're going to pull up a trick from your 2017 Burton US Open.
Oh, wow.
I'm sure you remember this
It's
one.
a throwback. It's a throwback.
It is. So let's analyze this clip for the audience, and so they can see all the cool things that AI sees.
All right.
All right, let's start it off. First, this trick is over in under 3 seconds. You are literally, it's a split-second blur. And for everyone watching, what trick is this?
This is a switch cab double flip 1440.
That is insane.
Yeah.
But for everyone else, what does that actually mean?
Basically, it's my unnatural way of riding. I do 4 full rotations with 2 flips in the middle.
I tried stopping
You got
it
that.
using the camcorder, and I couldn't do it. So let's slow this down, right?
Yeah.
And to do this, we need to analyze this frame by frame and see what Google Cloud sees.
Exactly.
And we're going to do this essentially with every single stop in this. So first, let's start with your pose.
Yeah.
So this is what's super cool. We built a model in collaboration with Google DeepMind that can track you spatially, and it creates a 3-dimensional, essentially, pose of you from a flat 2-dimensional video.
So awesome.
I mean, I love it. I can't even see you here. Like, how does it do it?
You know, this was my tight pant leather jacket phase, so, you know, you got to really punch in on it.
I know. Well, we should have
Yeah.
I got some out back, too.
It was a good look.
I know.
Look.
It's still a good look.
Okay.
All right, let's talk about the next thing, right?
Yeah.
These are stats powered by Gemini. Here we're tracking your flight dynamics,
Yeah.
rotational velocity, and even your tuck compression.
Yeah. This is amazing. We didn't have this before. I can see how much time I've spent in the air,
Yeah.
and now take old footage that I've done and compare it with new footage of, you know, how much time was I in the air when I landed the trick and when I didn't land the trick, and I can compare the two. And that data is really going to help me progress, and obviously the next generation can use these tools too.
It's true, and what I love is I love seeing how quickly your rotational velocity gets up here. It's
Yeah.
all about how you exit the pipe, right?
Torque, exactly, and coming out of it.
All right, so let's look at one more cool thing that we've done here, which is the ribbon overlay.
Oh, I love this.
So here's what I love about this. We're actually showing your cork here with the whole visualization. So what happens here?
Yeah.
We're moving from blue to green on the thing. What is that?
You know, when I was working with the engineers, I was trying to describe this trick, and there's a turning point where normally I do 1 front flip and then come in for the second, but then you have to pause and then go back flip.
Yeah.
And if you miss that turning point in the trick, well, it's not good. It's not good. But this really pinpoints it exactly.
It is so
Right
cool
here.
to watch this. And what I love is that this is making sports more accessible for fans, right? We can see all of the craziness that you're putting into this for it.
Exactly.
All right, so let's bring this back and talk a little bit more tech.
Yeah.
Google Cloud is helping everyone innovate here by creating new use case specific models, even for things like spatial analysis, training these large amounts of data and even models with Google Cloud TPUs, and helping everyone to build a secure data and agent foundation with Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform. Compute, models, and platform. This is the power of Google Cloud AI.
And look, from my personal experience, I can tell you, learning a trick on the mountain is one thing, but actually understanding the physics of a trick is a whole other thing. And this is really going to help not only the next generation of athletes learn new skills, but also help the fans at home understand the sport better. And not just for snowboarding, but I think sports globally.